Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adding your work account and syncing only what you need. This reduces clutter and speed setup. Open Settings, choose Accounts, then add and pick Exchange or Microsoft 365. Once added, make sure to enable Mail, Calendar, and Contacts sync. Start with 1 week of mail and expand later. Also configure a default signature and turn on Focused Inbox. These small choices shape daily flow and keep high-value messages visible. Next, you organize mail and calendar to automate repetitive work and clarify priorities. Create folders and rules that auto-sort mail by sender, project, or priority. Rules save minutes every day. Use categories, flags, and conditional formatting so important messages pop when you scan. Once done, sync calendars, set your working hours, add shared calendars for teams, and configure meeting buffers. This prevents overbooking and makes scheduling predictable. To finish, verify desktop and mobile sync settings and confirm push versus fetch behavior for real-time updates. Archive old mail, enable retention or auto-clean rules, and back up any critical PSD files. This protects storage and search performance. If something goes wrong, sign out and re-authenticate the account first, then clear the app cache and restart Outlook. If problems persist, check service status or contact IT. These steps resolve most sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.